Hello, my crafty friends. This is Laurie, Girl on the Ridge. It's late Sunday night and it's a mess, but I wanted to show you a couple things before I call it a night. I was working on these cute, more tag things, but I was working with vintage prescriptions that I had gotten from Patty Lang's auctions, Sacred Mementos, on Monday and Thursdays. These are 1922. And then I was just embellishing them with these cute little things. It was actually a huge kit from Lorna from TaylorMade Journals. It was her pharmacy kit. And it's huge. These I downsized. Yeah, I did. And some of these. So, and then she had some prescriptions. So I just wanted to put the two together. And I just wanted to show you. I have these listed separately in my shop because there was so much more detail. I mean, it'd be the same. I'll put some vintage ephemera. This is Lorna's, one of her doctor things. And then I made a little paper clip. But these, I had more to work with, so I wanted to list them separate. Like the little, these are all different. The pharmacy tags. And then I just put, these are so cute. This one is a cordial. And that one is a carbon. They were cute. They're all different labels. And this is castor oil and worm syrup. And I just put some ticking that I had gotten. I coffee dyed it. And then the prescription underneath it. So I wanted to show you how I did. Let me go grab some more bags. Now I got these a while ago. They were big. Again, these are from Patty's auction. They were, somebody collected these. They're all from 1922. And they put them on a cardstock of some sort. So I'm going to use them. I just can't see not using them. So what I did is I seen what was the better one. And I just cut just to kind of keep the date on it. Regular, drops in a little water before bed. Now, some of these might come off. And then this one is well, if I can take some of this one off. I know some of you are cringing, but it's only paper. Except for my 1700s paper. I won't touch that. So I'll use this for something. And then I will just ink this up. How was everybody's day today? It did not stop raining here at all. It was a yucky day. Yucky, yucky. Then my husband comes home around 4. And he wants to know, or we ate, and then we started watching some really bad movies. Of course, they were, not that all black and white movies are bad, but this was pretty bad. So then we put video, CDs in. So I tried to put this where there wasn't writing. I'm not covering anything up. I think I'll just put it on the edge. And then my husband asked me, he goes, "Oh, did you remember if I took my pill?" My bubble said, "How the hell do I know if you took your pill? Because I don't even know. I can't even remember what day it is." But the sweet side of me said, "No, dear, I don't. Maybe we should get you that little pill box." And I can't keep track. But we just laughed. I Well, don't take another one. Wait until tomorrow. You don't need to go to the hospital because you took too many. Oh, Lord. And then there was Miss Lorna's. She had some really cute. So what I did is I took one of these and I inked it up. And again, I'm putting it where, oh God, tomorrow I'll have to clean up again. I just didn't feel like it today. I never feel like it. But I did get into my daytime pajamas, and then I got into my nighttime pajamas. Really, really hard. And let's see. What do I want to use this time? We can use one of, I'll use one of her longer labels. Lorna, I really love this kit. There's so much, I didn't even print half of them up. Yeah, I will. So even if it goes over, I'm going to do Rusty Hinge. So I really trying to, I want to encourage you guys to really use your stuff, because I see a lot of the same names at different auctions that we go to, and we don't all want to be hoarders, me included, because I know, God forbid something happens to me, all this stuff is going to go thrown out, and I'm going to have to come back and haunt somebody. I already plan on that because they don't get it. So I might as well use it and enjoy it. And then I think we'll do this little octagon or hexagon or whatever. It's cherry toothpaste. How cute. And it just, like I said, when I seen the pharmacy set, and then I seen the what am I trying to say? Oh, the prescriptions. I said, oh, what a nice little compliment. So we got that. And then I had, or she had, these little red, and I did print them on a glossy paper because I was too lazy to go get my other cardstock, and the glossy cardstock was sitting right on the printer. Like I have anything else to do. But we both had, I gave my husband the Kentucky butter cake, and he wasn't really thrilled with it. He said it was dry. Which I probably wouldn't make it again. But, and we'll put some bitters with this. So when you do buy something vintage and you plan on making something, look for something that'll go with it. Because I did buy this kit a while, I think it just came out a couple weeks ago. I did buy it, but I totally forgot I had these prescriptions. And then when I seen them, I said, those will complement each other very nicely. So then I just took these and I know there's a better way and a tool and all that, but I'm just taking my scissors. Poking that through, maybe. I did 2 other ones. And just getting a little bob clip. I just didn't want to glue everything to the prescription. And I just tie that. And then got a little ball pin. My sister-in-law, I did a post. Oh, fried Oreos. Really? They look good. I might have to make them tomorrow with the kids. You take, I think, Oreos, or not Oreos, fried Cheerios. Of course, then my sister-in-law had to make a comment. You and your sweet. You would find a way to take something good and make it sweetie. It was, I think it was butter, cinnamon, sugar, and you fry the Cheerios in the butter. And they're called like Cheerio donuts or something. They look pretty good. And then over on this side, to balance it out a little, I will put a coffee dyed piece of seam binding. So we have to have something long and hangy. And that is how I just decorated the prescription. So you can still see the vintage prescription. You still got the date. I mean, yes, I know this isn't for everybody, but this is how I am going to use some of these. And then I'll probably sew this on a piece of paper. Oops. And make a tag so you can, or you can write on the other side. So those are what I did for the little. And then this paper and you'll get the ledger paper, the same as the other ones. I'm just going to, this will be more pharmacy. I have some blank prescription things. And I just sewed that ticking on a piece of paper so it'd stick out and it'd kind of match. Well, this one's not totally done, so. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to call it a night. So that was it. Oh, that's what I was saying. My sister-in-law said I could really use one of your painting classes. Years ago in my former life, I used to paint, and I used to teach mostly like the toll painting. Was it One Stroke? Donna Dewberry, all that. Oh my God, that's all I used to do is paint. So maybe I'll get my paints on, and we'll do a little painting on we'll do a little mixed media, something a little different. Alrighty, guys, so you guys have a good night, and we will see ya tomorrow. Bye.